HPL933BT and fat approved, made from BOA-free material that ensures containers to be safe and passed strict hygiene and safety tests of the US FAT and German SGS. Convenient to use, can be used in the microwave, freezer and dishwasher, top rack only. Whether it is storing leftovers or packing lunch, lock and lock are convenient to use around the kitchen or for any other household needs. Wide variety of unique, stackable designs allows you to save space in your cabinets, refrigerator, and freezer. Long-lasting, our containers are made from high-quality materials that makes them long-lasting, strong and durable. Cultivate a healthy lifestyle and save space, food and money by investing in some lock and lock containers. Lock and lock round pickle tray with draining basket is perfect for preserving pickles, onions, sun-dried tomatoes, eggs or olives. Also great for soaking pulses, beans, grains etc. Simply lift up the draining basket for easy access and lower back into the preserving liquid. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for cleaning resin 3D prints. I use this pickle container to agitate 3D prints to remove uncured resin with isopropyl alcohol. The tray makes this very easy to do and very clean. The solution is then left in the container until next time. Remember, if you do this too, that you must dispose of the leftover isopropyl properly once it has been used with resin, as it is toxic. I usually pour it into a disposable cup, McDonald's for example, before letting the isopropyl evaporate, and then dispose of the contents at the hazardous waste section of the tip.